Alright, the first thing we're going to be doing today is flipping the rear view mirrors. When they come installed like this. You can flip them if you want them in. They're pretty flexible in which way they can move. You can also rotate on the stalk itself, but personally I think that those look like they stick out way too far. So what I do is I flip them like I do on my Sportster and have them below. The tools you need for this are pretty simple. You just need a T55 and a T25 and a socket. The S2 Mulholland also comes with them pre-installed upside down, like we're gonna do today. T55 goes into there. Before that, we're gonna loosen the actual mirror stalk so that we can rotate. That's a T25. There you go. We'll do it to this one. And then back to the T55. And this is pretty much the easiest modification you could do to your bike. I wouldn't use a power drill because you will strip these threads. And you just take the one that you took off the left and you put it on the right. And then you just need to snug it a little. You don't have to crank down on it because you don't want to destroy the threads on this Torx. There you go. And just snug it up. Back to the T25. And now you're gonna flip. You can have it out or in. I prefer it in, because again, the whole reason I'm doing this is because I don't want it to stick out too far up or too far out. Now the trick here is you have to get on the bike and you have to make sure that when you turn full left or full right, you're not going to hit like that. And then it's just a matter of trying to find the right angle to tilt it so that you can have enough range of motion. See, the range of motion is further up, so that means you got to tilt it further forward to aim it behind you. And then I'll just get it kind of near and just barely tighten this, just so that it'll stay in one spot, but I can still move it. See, I can still move it. And then you just double check to make sure when you hit the hard stops on your steering, you're not coming in contact with the frame at all. And then you just tighten it down. But again, these Torx screws are threaded into plastic, so you don't want to crank down on this because you will break the plastic. You just want to snug it up. You also don't want to damage the head on the screw. And that's it.